Welcome to the lecture of artificial intelligence. So in last lecture we have started the fourth unit, that is game playing, and we have seen introductory part about the game playing. In today's lecture we will talk about two algorithms, that is first is minimax algorithm and second is alpha beta pruning. So let's start with the minimax algorithm. So this is the backtracking algorithm. As we know, in backtracking we are moving vertically downward, and depending upon the situation we are backtracking to get the best move or to get the best solution. So this is a backtracking algorithm. Then this is a best move strategy. So at particular point the players are taking the best moves, right? So there, let's say there are two players, max and min. Then max will try to maximize its utility and it takes best move. So max will take a best move so that it will tries to maximize its utility means it will try to gain more and more points, and mean will try to minimize utility. So in this case mean will try to minimize utility of max. So mean will try to minimize utility of max and it will take worst move. So the worst move in sense that it will take worst move, so that move will be worst for the max, right? That move will be worst for the max. And then time complexity of this algorithm is b raised to d. So in this case b is a branching factor, that is number of branches, and d is a depth. So let's see. So this is a tree graph of problem. Now first maximizer, that is max will play, then mean will play, then depending upon the move taken by mean, max will take the move. Now as this is a backtracking algorithm, we will start from the end. So at the end, like at stage D, E, F, G, where D, E, F, G nodes are situated, where max is going to take a decision. Now max is having at node D, max is having two options, H and I. So value of H is -1 and value of I is 4. So that is the utility, that is these are the points or known as the terminal values. So D is having two options, H and I. So D will choose maximum of it. So maximum of it is 4. So D will choose 4. Now at node E, again maximum will choose maximum of J and K, that is maximum of 2 and 6. So maximum is 6. At node F, max will choose the maximum value, that is maximum between -3 and -5. So maximum is -3. So if at F, max will choose -3. And at node G, max is going to play. So max will choose maximum between 0 and 7. So it will choose 7. Now at B and C, minimum will play, right? So mean will know, if I choose D, 4 points will be added into max, and if I choose E, 6 points will added into the account of max. So minimum will choose minimum value from D and E, so it will choose 4. So at B, minimum will choose 4, and if maximum will choose C, then at C, minimum will choose minimum between 3 and 7. So minimum between 3 and 7 is, sorry, -3 and 7 is -3. But at A, maximum is going to play. So maximum will choose maximum between 4 and 3. So 4 will choose. So this will be the root A, B, D and I. So this is how it works. First maximum will play, maximum will choose max between B and C. Then at B, minimum will choose minimum between D and E, and again D, at D, maximum will choose maximum between H and I. So this is how min max algorithm works. So this is what written in this algorithm. Maximum will choose the maximum value and it will try to increase its utility, and minimum will choose the minimum value and it will try to reduce the utility of the max. Now alpha beta pruning. As you know, in this case we are searching all the branches, we are visiting all the nodes and all the branches. So time complexity is b raised to d. B is a branching factor and d is a depth. So what happens in alpha beta pruning? Alpha beta pruning is modified version of minimax algorithm. It is an optimization technique for the minimax algorithm. As we have seen in the minimax search algorithm, the number of game states it has to examine are exponential in depth of the tree. Since we cannot eliminate the exponent, but we can cut it to half. Hence, there is a technique by which, without checking each node of the game tree, we can compute the correct minimax decision, and this technique is known as a pruning. Right. This involves two threshold parameters, alpha and beta, for a future expansion. So it is called as a alpha beta pruning. It is called alpha beta algorithm also. Alpha beta pruning can be applied at any depth of a tree, and sometimes it not only prunes the tree leaves but also it prunes entire subtree. The two parameters can be defined as alpha. So the simple way is that here max is denoted as alpha. The alpha will be the highest value choice we can found so far at any point along the path of the maximizer. So alpha is denoted as or max is denoted as alpha, and the initial value of alpha will be minus infinity, and minimizer, that is mean, will be denoted as a beta, and the initial value of beta will be plus infinity. Right. So we will see one example. So basically, what is the meaning of prune? It means we are going to reduce it, or we are going to cut off it, right? So meaning of to cut off is known as a prune. So we are going to cut off the branches of the tree so that our search will get minimized. So the max player will only update the value of alpha, as I have said you, that is max will be denoted as alpha, and mean player only update the value of beta, so mean will get denoted by the beta. While backtracking the tree, the nodes value will be passed to upper nodes instead of values of alpha and beta. So instead of updating values of mean and max, we are going to update values of alpha and beta. And as we are backtracking, whenever we are going to backtrack, we come to know that some part of the tree is not useful into the searching. So we are going to cut off that part of the tree. Right. So this is in short known as a pruning. We only pass the alpha beta values to the child nodes. Now let's see, this is one example. So at terminal, let's, as is a backtracking algorithm, we will first go to the depth wise at the end of the tree, and then we will backtrack. So now I will explain from this graph itself. So let's see, at nodes D, E, F, G, there will be max, right? So max will be denoted as a alpha, and mean will be denoted as a beta. So at node D, E, F, G, there will be alpha. So there will be max, right? So max will choose maximum between two values. So at D, maximum value between 2 and 3, so 3 will get chosen. At E, maximum value between 5 and 9, so 9 will be chosen. At F, maximum value between 0 and 1, that is 1 get chosen. And at G, maximum value between 7 and 5, so 7 is chosen. Right? So now this is I have told you in brief. Now at D, so the maximum value 3 is chosen. Now at B, there is a minimizer, right? So minimizer, that is beta, will choose minimum between D and E, because if he chooses maximum value between D and E, the more points will get to the maximizer. So minimizer will choose the minimum value so that the minimum points will get to the max. So at B, there is a minimizer, it will check the minimum value between D and E. So at D, the value is 3, and at E, the value is 9, because at E there is a maximizer, and maximizer had choose 9 as a max value. So now beta will choose minimum between D and E. So value of E is 9 and value of D is 3. So eventually beta is going to choose 3 because it is a minimum. So in this case, 9, the leaf node 9 is get pruned, because they are not going to use it, or right, so 9 will get pruned. So this is how it works. Now next, let's see this case. Okay, let's see this example. So what happens in this case? So at B 3 is chosen. Now in case of F and G, at the F there is a maximizer. So maximum value, maximizer it means alpha. So maximum value is chosen between 0 and 1. So 1 is chosen. Maximum value between 7 and 5 is chosen. So 7 is chosen, right? But at C there is a minimizer. It means beta. It will choose minimum between F and G. So it has chosen 1. So eventually the G node is not going to use. So G will get pruned, right? G will get pruned because every time C will choose 1 because it is going to choose minimum value, and G is having the value which is more than 1. So G is not going to choose. So G is pruned. G node is pruned, means cut off. Now whenever we come to A, at A there is a maximizer, that is alpha, which will choose maximum value between B and C. So at B, minimizer had choose the value 3. At C, minimizer had choose the value 1. So maximum between 3 and 1 is obviously 3. So at A, alpha, that is maximizer, will choose 3 value. So this is how the alpha beta pruning algorithm works. So in this case, as we are backtracking the branches that we are not going to use into the future, we are going to prune, that means we are going to cut off that. So this is how alpha beta algorithm works. So your path will be A to B, B to D, and D to 3. Now there are two types of ordering. First is worst ordering and second is ideal ordering. So we will talk about it. So worst ordering means in which we are searching all the tree like minimax algorithm. So that will be the worst ordering, in which case the your complexity will be b raised to d, and ideal ordering means we will cut off the maximum part of tree. In this case, let's say we cut off half of the tree while backtracking, then that is known as the ideal ordering. So this is these are two cases of alpha beta pruning. So I hope it is clear to you, these two algorithms. If you have any query, you can interrupt me at any time. Thank you so much.